Imagine this. You've got a big project due tomorrow, but instead of diving in, you're scrolling through social media. You know you should start, but something holds you back. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Procrastination is a universal struggle, but why do we do it? And more importantly, how can we stop? Today, we're diving deep into the science of procrastination and exploring proven strategies to overcome it. Get ready for a journey through your brain's inner workings and discover practical tools to boost your productivity. Let's start with the why. Procrastination isn't just laziness or poor time management. It's a complex interplay of emotions, cognitive biases, and even evolutionary psychology. Our brains are wired to prioritize immediate rewards over long-term benefits. This made sense for our ancestors. Why save food for winter when a predator might eat you tomorrow? But in today's world, this short-term focus can sabotage our goals. Studies show that procrastination is often linked to negative emotions. We delay tasks that make us feel anxious, bored, or insecure. It's a form of emotional regulation. We're not avoiding the task itself, but the uncomfortable feelings associated with it. But here's the kicker. Procrastination actually increases stress and negative emotions in the long run. It's a vicious cycle that can impact our mental health, relationships, and overall life satisfaction. So how do we break free? Let's explore some science-backed solutions. First up, the 5-minute rule. This technique involves committing to work on a task for just 5 minutes. It sounds simple, but it's surprisingly effective. Why? Because it overcomes the biggest hurdle, getting started. Once you begin, you'll often find yourself continuing beyond those initial 5 minutes. The science behind this is fascinating. Our brains have a bias called the Zeigarnik effect, which creates mental tension when tasks are left unfinished. By starting for just 5 minutes, you trigger this effect, making it more likely you'll want to complete the task. Next, let's talk about environment design. Your surroundings play a huge role in your behavior. A study from Princeton University found that a cluttered environment can significantly impair your ability to focus and process information. So, create a dedicated workspace that's free from distractions. This could be as simple as clearing off your desk or finding a quiet corner in a coffee shop. Another powerful strategy is called temptation bundling. This involves pairing a task you're procrastinating on with something you enjoy. For example, only allowing yourself to listen to your favorite podcast while exercising. This creates a positive association with the task you've been avoiding. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, digital distractions. Our smartphones and social media are designed to be addictive, hijacking our attention spans. A study from the University of California found that it takes an average of 23 minutes to fully refocus after an interruption. That's a lot of lost productivity. Try using apps that block distracting websites during work hours, or use the Pomodoro technique. 25-minute focused work sessions followed by short breaks. This method leverages our brain's natural attention cycles to maximize productivity. But what about those big, daunting projects that seem too overwhelming to start? This is where the Swiss cheese method comes in handy. Instead of tackling the entire project at once, poke small holes in it by completing tiny, manageable tasks. This builds momentum and makes the overall project less intimidating. Remember, perfectionism is often the enemy of progress. Many people procrastinate because they're afraid of producing imperfect work. Combat this by embracing the concept of good enough. Set realistic standards and focus on progress over perfection. Another often overlooked factor in procrastination is your energy management. Are you a morning person or a night owl? Schedule your most important tasks during your peak energy hours. This aligns your natural circadian rhythms with your work, making it easier to stay focused and motivated. Let's not forget the power of accountability. Share your goals with a friend, join a study group, or use apps that allow you to check in with accountability partners. Knowing someone else is aware of your commitments can provide that extra push to follow through. Lastly, be kind to yourself. Self-compassion has been shown to reduce procrastination more effectively than self-criticism. Recognize that everyone struggles with procrastination sometimes, and treat yourself with the same understanding you'd offer a friend. As we wrap up, remember that overcoming procrastination is a skill that can be developed over time. It's not about never procrastinating again. It's about building better habits and strategies to manage it effectively. Start small. Choose one technique from this video and commit to trying it for a week. Notice how it affects your productivity and stress levels. Then, gradually incorporate more strategies as you build your anti-procrastination toolkit. The journey to beating procrastination isn't always easy, but it's incredibly rewarding. Imagine the sense of accomplishment and reduced stress when you consistently tackle tasks head-on. You've got this. So, what's the first step you'll take to conquer procrastination? Will you try the 5-minute rule? Set up a distraction-free workspace? Whatever you choose, remember, the best time to start is now. Don't let this be another video you watch and forget. Take action and start building the productive, fulfilling life you deserve.